can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at some altcoins in the cryptocurrency market. Good times are returning back to the altcoin market. We're seeing double-digit gains across the board. We'll take a look at Hedera, Hbar. We'll take a look at Algo, US dollar price chart. We'll take a look at Theta Network, US dollar price chart on a weekly time frame. Then we'll take a look at the Optimism US dollar price chart. The altcoin season index is telling us we're getting towards that alt season sweet spot. We're starting to see altcoins outperform Bitcoin. How high can these altcoins go in the coming days and the coming weeks? Let's get down to business. Over the last 1 week, good times are returning back to the altcoin market. Over the last 1 month, we're seeing altcoins have huge gains. Some altcoins are having big double-digit gains. We're even seeing some altcoins get triple-digit gains. If we get that wonderful alt season we've been waiting for, how high can these altcoins go in the coming days and the coming weeks? First, let's take a look at the Hbar US dollar price chart on a weekly time frame. Hbar way back in 2021 had one huge run. We saw Hbar go from as low as $0.01 in December of 2019. By the time the bull run ended in September of 2021, we had seen Hbar rally up by over 5,300%. Guys, for context sake, $1,000 invested in Hbar at the bottom would have returned over $53,000. That's how productive these altcoins can be when they are rallying to higher values. But the downside is that when they're dumping to gobbling town, guys, those dumps can be very aggressive. We saw Hbar losing around 93% of its value, found the bottom in December of 2022. But ever since then, Hbar has not pumped how we expected to pump. And this cycle, there was a lot of expectations for Hbar. A lot of people were expecting huge pumps to the moon. But Hbar has fairly underperformed from the $0.035 level where we got to in December of 2022, which turned out to be the bottom. We have seen Hbar get to as high as $0.17. That was in April 2024. Right now, Hbar trades down in Goblin Town around the $0.047 level. I'll not be shocked to see Hbar rally to higher values in the coming days and the coming weeks, guys. Sentiment in the market right now is down in Goblin Town. Even though we're seeing signs of life in the altcoin market, majority of market participants have not yet catch up to the trade. The last 1 year, Hbar is currently trading exactly where it was trading. So right now, most people that bought Hbar over the last 1 year are not in huge losses. They are exactly where they are. I'll not be shocked to see it pick up in the coming days and the coming weeks. Let's take a look at Algorand. Algorand is almost similar story to Hbar. Algorand had a wonderful 2020 and a wonderful 2021. Huge gains to investors. We saw Algorand rallying up from $0.125, getting to as high as the $2.4 level, rallying by over 2,000%. But with huge pumps come huge dumps in the cryptocurrency market, and Algorand has been dumping to gobbling town. We've seen Algorand over the course of its first full crypto bear market lose around 96% of its value. This is a regular occurrence in the altcoin market. When the bear market comes, altcoins dump aggressive to gobbling town. When the bull market comes, we see them rallying back to higher values. And since September of 2023, we've seen Algorand try its very best. We've seen Algorand rally up to as high as $0.32. That was a 267% pump. But guys, that was nothing to write home about. In the altcoin market, people want to see 1,000% pumps, 2,000% pumps, 3,000% pumps. So Algorand rallying just 267% has disappointed a lot of investors. Right now, Algorand is currently trading around the $0.12 level, just 43% of the lows. I believe we're going to see altcoins pumping to higher values. I believe we're going to see alt season very soon. The altcoin season index tells us right now altcoins are starting to outperform Bitcoin. And guys, if you don't know what alt season is, alt season happens when more than 75% of the top 50 coins perform better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period. That's excluding stable coins. And right now, we are seeing altcoins starting to outperform Bitcoin. The last 6 months has been brutal in the altcoin market, but the last 1 month is showing us some signs of life. Even though sentiment in the market is still down in gobbling town, the crypto fear and greed index tells us there's still fear in the cryptocurrency market. I expect all coins to pick up very soon. And our coin we'll be taking a look at is Theta Network. Theta Network was one of the biggest gainers also in the 2021 bull market. We saw it rallying aggressively to higher values from the $0.043 level where it was trading on the 9th of March 2020. We saw it rally to an all-time high of $16. Guys, A $1,000 invested in Theta Network in March of 2020 would have returned over $374,000 by April of 2021. That's how crazy altcoins can pump when things get exciting. But guys, those big pumps, as I told you earlier, always lead to big dumps. We saw Theta Network in that time frame in the first bear market it experienced, also losing 96% of its value. In this cycle, we have seen it pump to the upside, but guys, this pump have been disappointing. A lot of market participants were expecting those 10x pumps again, those 20x pumps again. The last cycle, it gave us a 300x pump. So each rallying by 534% in 154 days has been fairly disappointing, but we found resistance at that $3.6 level. Right now, we are having a pullback. That pullback has been going on since 6 months. The whole altcoin market has seen a huge dump over the last 6 months. In the case of Theta Network, it lost 75% of its value. In the coming days and the coming weeks, I will expect a pump. But guys, nothing crazy, no new all-time highs. I will be shocked if we even get back to as high as $3.6. This is a relief rally. This would be a smart time to take some profits off the table. I have a very weird opinion about the market. That opinion is we are already in the bear market, and these rallies we are seeing are bear market rallies. They are for you to cash out and keep some dry powder. Optimism is another token that has just been ranging for almost 2 years right now. I remember when it was launched way back in June of 2022. It dumped to Goblin Town, and then we saw that rally, the Ethereum merge rally, where Optimism just shot up like 400% in few days. But guys, since when Optimism was launched from the bottom, yes, that's gotten to the $4.8 level, which accounts to a 10x pump from the bottom. But at the same time, Optimism has just been a disappointment. We have not seen those 2,000% pumps, 3,000% pumps. You can argue that yes, we would have gotten a 1,000% pump from Optimism, but with the hype it came with, it has been a very big disappointment. But if you're one of those lucky investors that got in at the bottom right now, you are still in some profits. The last 6 months has seen Optimism also lose value in the cryptocurrency market, dumping by around 78%. In the coming days and the coming weeks, I should be expecting all coins to pump higher values. I expect to see Optimism rally to as high as $3. If we were lucky, maybe we get it to pump to as high as $4. But guys, nothing crazy. I'm of the opinion we're going to see the crypto market tend towards greed. But since we're already in the bear market, let's not expect crazy pumps. Let's expect some 100% pumps, some 50% pumps here and there. The altcoin season index says we're heading towards alt season, but that alt season is not guaranteeing thousands of percentages gains. The only thing the alt season is guaranteeing is that altcoins will have pumps. And a 10% pump might sound very small right now, but when we go deep to Goblin Town, you realize how big a 10% pump is. Guys, drop it down to the comment section. If you are buying some Hbar, tell me where are you buying and why are you buying and how high do you expect to see Hbar go in the coming days and the coming weeks. Hbar right now is at a very crucial support level. If we break this level, it's down to Goblin Town. I believe we're going to see higher values. Tell me why you're buying if you're buying. If you're going to buy some Algorand, do you expect it to get to as high as $3, $5? Or are you just looking for a quick 100% pump? If you're getting some Theta Network, do you think it's possible that we're going to see another all-time high anytime soon? And if you're holding Optimism, I know you have been holding Ethereum. The Ethereum ecosystem have been going through a very hard time. Are you buying more Ethereum? Are you buying more Optimism? Or do you think this is the death of Ethereum and Solana is here to take over? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.